What's up, guys? Now that I got the car back, I get to do the fun stuff. Paint is good. 3 of the 4 rims got some nasty curb rash. I'm gonna fix those. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I use JB Weld and then sand it, primer it, paint it. I'm gonna put a front lip on this and a small spoiler. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna do it with my hand at first. I'm gonna really get it in there in these ridges, kind of like with my finger, and then I'm gonna go over it again with a little stick. Okay, so now that I have all 3 of the 4 JB welded where the curb rash is, gotta leave this overnight and sand it down. Here are the painted rims. They look pretty nice, I like that. Yeah, this is what they used to look like. That versus that. That versus that. What's up, guys? Today I registered the car, tinted the windows. Here's my painted rims. I don't want any badging on this. I don't want anybody knowing this is a performance model. I was thinking of putting a performance spoiler on, but I think that's kind of a giveaway. I'm gonna do a little wrap right here. I'm gonna put like a satin black right here, and it's gonna taper out somewhere in here and like somewhere in this area. I did it on my GT86s a couple times. Looks pretty cool. I've seen people black out all this, kind of like I did on the Model Y, right? But on this, I don't know, the white, it's kind of played out. See, on this Tesla right here, I got the rain guard on the window, this little spoiler looking thing. I'm actually gonna put this on the trunk on that car. And I'm gonna take off the T like I did here. I'm gonna take off the T. There's gonna be no badges, just that little spoiler. I'm gonna black out that front pillar part, you know, delete the chrome like I did here, and do a couple things on the inside. That's on my next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.